Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tasks from Asana to Trello without losing dates. Detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Asana account and navigate to the project you want to transfer. Export the project by selecting the Project Actions menu in the top right corner. Choose Export/Print from the drop-down menu, then select CSV. Next, open your Trello account and create a new board. To set up your board, click on Create New Board in your Trello dashboard. Name your board and choose your preferred visibility settings. Once your board is ready, click on the Show menu option on the right side. Select More, then click on Print and Export. From this menu, choose the option to import a CSV file. Now, return to the CSV file you exported from Asana. Open the CSV file in a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Adjust the columns to ensure each task includes its title, description, start date, due date, and any other relevant information. When you're satisfied with the format, save the file again as a CSV. Go back to your Trello board and open the import option one more time. Upload your newly formatted CSV file. Confirm the mapping of fields if prompted. Make sure to match Asana fields with Trello fields correctly. After reviewing the mappings, proceed with the import. Once the import is complete, check your Trello board for all the tasks. Verify that the dates have been correctly transferred to their respective tasks. Make any necessary adjustments to tasks, lists, or boards. Organize your Trello board as needed to fit your workflow. Review the tasks to ensure all details are intact. With these steps, you've successfully transferred your tasks from Asana to Trello without losing dates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.